I think at most periods in world history, America would be doing an act of great self harm, and the rest of the world would sort of just turn its back on America, especially with a rising power like China that plays such a major role in the international trade system. But if you look at global economies, they're really weak at the moment outside of the United States. The European economies are in an incredibly bad shape. They have huge deficits, they have low growth. The German auto industry, which much of European growth depends, is completely in disarray. The British economy is in a profound productivity crisis, and through Brexit, even the City of London is in a crisis. The Chinese economy seems to be moving towards a sort of a low growth equilibrium. Growth rates there have been declining for about a decade, and it's further insulating itself from the world economy and from its previous model as the sort of manufacturing hub for the world. And so I think the United States could end up coming out through this period of nationalization and deglobalization looking pretty strong. But the question is that a function of American strength or a function of weakness elsewhere? And would America not do better to try and influence the global trade system in a different way, in a more open way that it might have a lot of control over, but still doesn't lead to this total fragmentation of a breakdown of the global trade system? So I think we're moving into a new era of a very fragmented, deglobalizing world that we haven't seen for a long time, since basically the aftermath of World War One and into the Great Depression is the last time we saw the world starting to spin into these regional and national trading units. And it's going to be interesting to see what happens.